Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Wacky Worm Kit is probably one of the most fascinating and engaging science toys available today, offering a unique blend of educational fun and hands-on experimentation that captivates both children and adults alike, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to explore the principles of physics and engineering in a playful and accessible manner. Number 5. Senko Worms 4133 PCS Fishing Soft Plastic Bait. Introducing a comprehensive fishing lure set designed to attract a wide variety of fish, especially bass. This collection offers lifelike action and vibrant colors to enhance your fishing experience. This extensive set includes 133 pieces, featuring soft worm lures in multiple colors, various hooks, O-rings, weights, and a convenient storage box. It's a complete package for any fishing trip. Our lures are salt-impregnated, providing an ideal sinking rate and a realistic, quivering action as they descend. This subtle, natural movement is designed to trick fish into biting. Crafted with exquisite attention to detail, these soft plastic lures are both softer and tougher than traditional options. Their simple design and natural action make them a favorite for catching bass. This all-in-one fishing gear set is ideal for both saltwater and freshwater environments. It makes an excellent gift for any fishing enthusiast in your life. Whether you're fishing in oceans, lakes, rivers, or ponds, this versatile set is equipped to handle it all. Enjoy effective fishing across diverse aquatic settings. What we like. This kit comes with a massive 133 pieces, including a tool, various hooks, O-rings, weights, and a storage box. The salt impregnation ensures a slow, quivering fall that tricks fish. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter kit with everything you need for bass fishing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary parts for assembly. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the assembly process straightforward. The finished worm is surprisingly durable and holds its shape well. Number 4. Reaction Tackle Wacky Rig Kit. Introducing the complete Wacky Rig Kit, designed to make your bass fishing setup easier than ever. It includes everything you need for a successful day on the water. Keep all your gear secure and organized in the included carrying case. Worms, hooks, and tools are neatly stored, ensuring your tackle is always ready when you are. This tool is designed to handle a variety of soft plastic baits up to ½ inch in diameter. Achieve consistent rigging for any situation you encounter. Perfect for both wacky and Neko rigs, these presentations are proven effective for largemouth, smallmouth, and spotted bass. They work exceptionally well in clear water and around cover. The included O-rings allow your bait to move freely on the hook, creating a natural, enticing action. This enhanced movement triggers more strikes and significantly improves your hookup ratio, especially on finicky fish. What we like. This option focuses on organization and versatility with its included carrying case. The tool is designed to work with baits up to 1/2 inch, and it's ready for both wacky and Neko rigs. If you value keeping your gear tidy and want a tool that handles a range of stick bait sizes, this is the kit for you. What people say. This is a great kit for learning about electronics and building your own robot. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished product is a fun and interactive toy that kids will love. Number 3. Wacky Rig Hooks Wacky Worm Lures 136 PCS Fishing Kit. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools and lures for your wacky rigging adventures. It includes everything from specialized hooks and jig heads to soft plastic baits and O-rings, all neatly organized. Our soft, flexible lures are designed to mimic natural prey with realistic colors and movements. They are crafted to reduce fish's caution, making them irresistible targets for a bite. The included Wacky Rig tool is built to last, featuring excellent rust resistance thanks to its aluminum and stainless steel construction. The O-rings are made from durable silicone to prevent tearing. We offer both weedless and worm hooks, crafted from high-strength stainless steel and high-carbon steel respectively. They are designed to be anti-rust and durable, ensuring reliable performance in both saltwater and freshwater. Keep your gear organized and accessible with the compact tackle box. It efficiently stores all components, making it easy to carry and access your supplies on any fishing trip. These lures are incredibly versatile and can be rigged in various ways, including Wacky rig, Texas rig, Ned rig, Carolina rig, and drop shot. This adaptability ensures you're prepared for any fishing scenario. What we like. This is a substantial 136-piece kit that includes a durable aluminum and stainless steel Wacky rig tool. It also features weedless hooks for snag-free fishing. If you frequently fish in areas with a lot of cover or vegetation and want to minimize snags, the weedless hooks make this a compelling option. What people say. This is a great kit for kids to learn about electronics and have fun building something. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished product is a fun and engaging toy that kids will love to play with. Number 2. Bass Fishing Wacky Worm Kit. Introducing the ultimate kit for bass fishing enthusiasts. This comprehensive set is designed to make your fishing trips more successful and enjoyable. Our kit includes everything you need: plastic worms in various colors, a specialized rigging tool, hooks, and O-rings, all conveniently packed in a tackle box. The included Wacky tool is crafted from durable aluminum, featuring a design that easily accommodates most plastic worms up to 6 inches. It's lightweight and comes with a lanyard for convenience. These soft plastic baits mimic real worms, and their high salt content creates a unique falling action that drives fish wild. They are simple yet incredibly effective. Rigging is a breeze with our O-rings and high-carbon steel hooks. They ensure your bait falls naturally and provide the strength and reliability you need for a successful catch. Using the kit is straightforward. Simply insert your plastic lure, slide on an O-ring, and attach the hook. You'll be ready to fish in no time. What we like. Boasting 176 pieces, this kit includes a tool with a 1-2-inch opening that fits most plastic worms up to 6 inches. The soft plastic baits are heavily impregnated with salt, creating a fall rate that drives fish wild. If you're a bass angler who prioritizes a bait with an aggressive, salt-driven action and a high piece count, this kit is a fantastic value. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for building the Wacky Worm. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making assembly straightforward. The finished Wacky Worm is surprisingly durable and holds its shape well during play. Number 1. Wacky Rig Fishing Worms Lure Kit. Get ready to fish immediately with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need for the popular and effective Wacky Rig style in one convenient package, saving you time and hassle. These fishing worms are designed to trigger more strikes with their lifelike shape and irresistible action. Embedded with salt and glitter, they mimic real baitfish to attract game fish from a distance. This kit includes 50 worms in 5 proven fish-catching colors. This versatile assortment allows you to adapt to various conditions, increasing your chances of success. Made from high-grade, elastic soft plastic, these worms are tough enough to withstand multiple bites. Their durable body ensures excellent hook-holding capability and maintains its enticing action. Perfect for the classic Wacky rig, Texas rig, or as a drop-shot bait. They are ideal for targeting various bass species and other fish in freshwater and saltwater environments. What we like. This kit provides 50 worms in 5 highly effective colors, featuring an ultra-realistic design with a slow-sink flutter and embedded salt. The microglitter mimics baitfish flash. If you're looking for a versatile assortment of realistic-looking worms in proven colors to match various conditions, this is the kit to consider. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary parts to build a functional Wacky Worm. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making assembly straightforward. The finished Wacky Worm moves in a fun and engaging way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.